Luxury afloat, exploring the world's most expensive boats in stunning HD. Welcome to an exclusive look at the world's most luxurious and expensive boat, a marvel of maritime engineering that redefines opulence on water. This floating palace stretches an impressive length, boasting sleek lines and an unmatched aesthetic appeal. Its design is the brainchild of the world's leading naval architects. Crafted with the finest materials, every inch of this yacht screams luxury. From rare woods to custom-made furniture, the attention to detail is astounding. Under the hood, it's just as impressive. Equipped with state-of-the-art engines, this yacht can glide across the oceans with remarkable speed and efficiency. But what sets it apart are the amenities it offers. Imagine a full-size cinema, underwater viewing areas, and helipads, all aboard this magnificent vessel. The Master Suite is a spectacle in itself, with panoramic views of the sea, a private jacuzzi, and more space than most luxury apartments. For those who enjoy dining under the stars, the boat features a rooftop dining area that offers breathtaking views and gourmet meals prepared by world-class chefs. Fitness enthusiasts will be pleased to find a fully equipped gym and spa, ensuring you stay in shape while cruising the endless blue. The yacht also boasts an infinity pool that blends seamlessly with the horizon, providing an unparalleled relaxation experience. For the adventurous souls, there's a garage filled with water toys, including jet skis and mini submarines, ready to explore the depths. Connectivity and entertainment are top-notch, with a state-of-the-art sound system and high-speed internet, ensuring you stay connected even in the middle of the ocean. The price tag? While it remains undisclosed, it's rumored to be in the ballpark of hundreds of millions, making it a symbol of absolute wealth and luxury. Owning this yacht is not just about the unparalleled experience it offers, but it's also a testament to achieving the pinnacle of success and exclusivity. Join us as we take you through a virtual tour of this magnificent vessel. With full HD quality video clips, you're about to experience luxury like never before.